Hello, my good friends. You know who this is. It's your super favorite CEO. And when I put on a show, I love to share it with my friends. And let me show you how it is that I'm putting on a show. Trade ideas through our technology to visualize momentum. I mean, it's been showing me MLGO run all day. And I missed the move from well, that's pre-market. Actually, once it pulled back from the open, I saw this reversal, bought it, okay, and look what it did after that. I mean, I've been in this one pretty much all day, okay, and 475 the fill, and look at this tearing. So I'm going to move my stop loss right here. Look at me lock in. I'm going to lock in 20 grand. Okay, that's what Trade Ideas does. That's the feeling. This is what you want to lock in, my friends. Okay, it's how it's done. Subscribe. You see what we're doing. We're the only ones doing it.